Welcome back. William Menezes, the icon of Konkani Theatre, William the Kurtori, died at his residence on Sunday. William died due to cardiac arrest and is survived by his wife and 2 daughters. William the Kurtori had rocked the era of 80s with his jet speed style of singing and spoof kantaras on politicians. William's funeral will be held on Tuesday at the St. Alex Church at 4 p.m.
Mourning continued for Goans as renowned theatrist William the Kurtori died at his residence on Sunday night. William succumbed to cardiac arrest. William has won several awards like Sultan of Oman, Konkani Heritage, etc. William is survived by his wife Jessie and daughters Mira Menezes and Ria Menezes. William Menezes, or William the Kurtori, or jet speed singer as known by his fans, was born in Kurtori.
संसारान इष्ट साहेबा फोडतो माता बेऱ्या पुता पोट फुडले मुंच्या कापल्या बोंडा इथं बेऱ्यान दोऱ्यान मोडाक सांभाळ तुझ्या गोटी इष्ट बेऱ्या लारांच्या त्या कुंपा सार तुझ्या फोड चलता बेऱ्यान जायते जाण सांगताले गोया कोत्ता म्हण बोरे गोयाकार पुताचारी तुम्ही करून सोडले सारे सांभा कोण इंगाली तर मोळे पापा पापा पार पापा आडतीनी सगळं तो संसार बुट्टा बुडकुलो शिस्ता माई त्या कुण्यगे रोडटा तो कोण बी एक ओगत लागो चोईस वरांनी मेशीन गोर मेन पिला काढता पापा पाऊस लागी आयलो तो कोंकरता रोडटा त्या गोर मोडत पिदरे चिमीट लोटता उज्या तो दोगतांचो तोड जाला बुडकुलो ढप करून फुटता.
William Menezes enthralled his viewers not only in Goa but overseas also. William the Kurtori has introduced more than 190 theatre artists till now. Katara on political spoofs and social issues were William's forte.
लोकांचो आजपासून म्हाका एक गांवांत माचे लोकांक गोंयकारांनी उबो दवरलो. चड करून बार्देसकारांनी, सावथाच्यांनी, इल्ल्यास फोंडजेकारांनी खूब म्हाका सांबाळलो आनी खूब उबो दवरलो. हांव तांकां सोंपल्या उपरांत देखून बरें मागतलो म्हजो आत्मो हें हातीन आसा.
Final rites on William the Kurtori will be performed on Tuesday at St. Alex Church at 4 p.m. A reporter from Salsette, Savio Dias.
Villagers of Kandoli, like other villages in Goa, are demanding rectification in the notified regional plan of Kandoli. The villagers say that important aspects like mangrove vegetation and water bodies are either missing or misplaced in the notified plan.
The Kandoli Citizens Forum has pointed out several discrepancies in the Kandoli Village Regional Plan 2021. They say areas like khazans and water bodies are either marked elsewhere or are deleted.
Focus on this particular point of mangrove vegetation. In fact, all these are paddy fields, which we know. And only the mangrove cultivation or plantation is found on the banks of the Sigari River. Where here we can very well make out that there is a plan for making this area under settlement. And regarding water bodies are meant for the paddy field, those who are cultivating for their plantation and all these things. But some they have shown only a few, and remaining they are totally deleted from the plan, regional plan.
The forum also says that some areas in Kalangut, Kandoli and Marra proposed as settlement areas will lead to destruction of forest areas.
Now we ask, what is the need of showing this 10 meters with wide road in the interior of the walls? Now, if this 10-meter roads are shown on the plan and it is already notified and come into force, what is going to happen to the plot owners who are having very small plot? Now they will have to leave the setback for the road as well as for the construction purpose. Now which will be very bad for the small landholders. Now we have objected to this and we say these roads which are shown as 10 meters should not be put into practice, it should be as status quo.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Aspirant NCP candidate from Mandre and Vice President of the party Sangeeta Parab said that Pednekars should get 80% jobs in the proposed sports city in their taluka. She was speaking at the NCP Medawa at Mandre. Bharti Chauhan declared that the party will try to give a ticket to Sangeeta Parab irrespective of an alliance.
NCP had organized a Medawa at Mandre on Sunday. Vice President of the NCP Sangeeta Parab, NCP Chief Surendra Sirsat, NCP Goa Desk in charge Bharti Chauhan, NCP MLA and Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza, famous actor Dr. Nishigandha Ward and around 800 people were present at the Medawa. Sangeeta Parab is an aspirant for NCP ticket for Mandre.
80% कमीत कमी नोकऱ्या पेडण्यातील सगळ्या जनतेला, रहिवाशांना आणि जे उमेदवार आहेत, जे नोकरी शोधतायत, जे बेकार आहेत आणि ज्यांना आपलं भविष्य घडवायचं आहे, या तरुणांच्या पाठी आम्ही राहू आणि ते रोजगार आम्ही मिळवू.
NCP Goa desk in charge Bharati Chauhan said that they will try to give NCP ticket to Sangeeta Parab in any circumstances.
मांद्रे हा मतदारसंघ युती झाली तरी देखील आम्ही संगीताताई आपण सर्वजण खूप मांद्रे मतदारसंघ हा राष्ट्रवादीकडेच असावा म्हणून पुरेपूर प्रयत्नात आहोत. त्याला तुमच्या सर्वांच्या सहकार्याने यश येईल असं मला वाटतं आणि युती जर नाही झाली तरी आपल्याला 8 दिवसामध्ये आपला निर्णय आपण जाहीर करून पुढच्या कामाला आपण लागतो आहे.
NCP chief Surendra Sirsat said that party is getting good response from women in state.
याच्या आधी बाला सहजासहजी पक्षात दिसत नसलेली, पण आज पक्षाचे कार्यकर्ते म्हणून महिलाचाच वर्ग आज चढ असा आणि ज्या ठिकाणी आमचे बैठको जातात, ज्या ठिकाणी आमचे मेळावे जातात, त्या ठिकाणी आज महिलांची उपस्थिती लक्षणीय असते.
A reporter from Pedne, Vinod Meter.
Republican Party of India is looking forward for an alliance with Shiv Sena and BJP for the forthcoming assembly election in the state. Their party chief Ramdas Athwale said that they will demand 2 to 3 seats if they go ahead with the alliance.
alliance झालं तर 2-3 जागा मागवतात. दोन पक्षाची ताकद काही फार मोठी नाही आहे, पण तरी पण इथला आंबेडकरवादी माणूस जो आहे, दलित माणूस, आंबेडकर बाबासाहेब मानणारा जो माणूस आहे, रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया बरोबर आहे. त्यामुळे जर आमचा अलायन्स होत असेल तर 2-3 जागा मागण्याचा प्रयत्न करू.
Chief of Republican Party of India, Ramdas Athwale, was in the state on Sunday for the Karyakarta Melawa at Mapsa. He said that party is looking forward for an alliance with the Shiv Sena and BJP for the forthcoming assembly polls.
आम्ही शिवसेना BJP सोबत RP एकत्र आलेलो होतो आम्ही महाराष्ट्रामध्ये. आता आम्ही इथे प्रयत्न करू, जर इथं BJP आणि शिवसेनेबरोबर जर आपला अलायन्स होत असेल तर असा प्रयत्न आम्ही करू.
गोव्यामध्ये आपली भूमिका
नाही, गोव्यामध्ये आपली भूमिका आता आम्ही ते त्यांच्याशी बोलू, म्हणजे इथलं जे स्टेटचे जे अध्यक्ष आहेत त्या BJPचे आणि शिवसेने त्यांच्याशी बोलू.
He paid homage to the statue of Baba Saheb Ambedkar in Mapsa. Our reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Liquor traders have alleged harassment by the government authorities during election time. Traders say excise department should raid liquor companies as they sell liquor stock to politicians during election. Goa Liquor Traders Association is planning to take up the issue with the Chief Minister and even the Election Commission.
There are thousands of liquor traders in Goa. The community is upset with state excise department. They have formed their association. They say during election times their business gets affected as their shops are ordered to remain closed for many days. They are ready to provide every detail about the customers to concerned election authorities. But they do not want any more harassment from excise officials during election days.
आमचो सेल आसता वाडिल्लो ड्युरींग डिसेंबर जानेवारी आनी ड्युरींग द दिवाली 2 months आनी मागीर मे म्हयन्यान जेन्ना हॉलिडेज वतात तेन्ना आमचो सेल वयर सकयल जाल्लो आसता. आतां इलेक्शन्स जेन्ना आसता तेन्ना जे इलेक्शन कॅन्डिडेट्स आसता ते डायरेक्ट फॅक्टरी कडल्यान आनी डिस्ट्रिब्युटरा कडल्यान सोरो घेता, तांकां धरा मरे. जो कोण फॅक्टरी ओनर आसा ते सप्लाय करता तांकां आमची कसली गरज.
Association is open for any scrutiny of their trade.
If Election Commission asks for customer details, we are open. तुम्ही एक आमकां कसो फॉर्मॅट आसा तो दिया, आमी तुमकां कस्टमर डिटेल्स जाय कस्टमर डिटेल्स दिता. We are absolutely open. Only see that we are not harassed. We want to run the trade. We don't want to shut the trade that has been happening in the last 2 elections.
Our video journalists from Panji, Sunny Narvekar and Devendra Gaunkar.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.